In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view iCal in Google Calendar. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can grab the iCal link for any of your calendars and use it wherever you need. Start by opening your web browser and going to calendar.google.com. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account, especially if you manage multiple calendars. You should see your calendar grid along with the left sidebar that lists your calendars. Look toward the top right of the page for the gear icon, which opens the settings menu. Click the gear, then choose Settings from the drop-down. This takes you to the main settings area for Google Calendar. If you don't see the gear, switch to a desktop browser or widen your window, since the full settings panel is easiest to access on a larger screen. On the left side of the settings page, you'll see a section labeled Settings for My Calendars. This is where you pick the specific calendar whose iCal link you want to view. Click the calendar name to open its individual settings. If you manage several calendars, double-check you've selected the right one. The iCal link is unique to each calendar. With that calendar selected, scroll down on the right side until you find the section called Integrate Calendar. This is the area that contains your iCal details. Take your time scrolling because the page can be long and the section is a bit below the fold. In Integrate Calendar, you'll see the iCal options. Typically, there are two types of links, a public address in iCal format and a secret address in iCal format. The public one works only if the calendar is set to be publicly visible. The secret one is intended for private use, so keep it confidential. Viewing them here lets you confirm the exact link you'll need to subscribe to this calendar from other apps like Apple Calendar, Outlook, or any service that accepts an ICS feed. If your iCal link isn't visible or appears disabled, make sure you actually clicked a specific calendar under Settings for My Calendars rather than the General Settings area. Also, remember that changing a calendar's visibility affects which link will work. As a tip, copy the link carefully and store it securely if it's the secret address. If you're working on mobile and can't find these options, switch to a desktop browser for the full experience. That's it. You've opened Google Calendar, gone into Settings, selected your calendar, scrolled to Integrate Calendar, and viewed the iCal link you need.